My name is Dave Gilson. I'm the president of Gilson Graphics. We're a commercial printer located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Our sales volume is about $24 million a year. We have 165 employees, and one of those employees is Tony Bilecki, who heads up our digital area.
So my name is Tony Bilecki, and I've been with Gilson Graphics for 31 years, and I currently head up the digital short-run print production. You know, what we've seen too is for a make-ready standpoint. I mean, you know, on a 40-inch press, you know, you have to buy 400 sheets per side for make-ready, you know, 4x4. We're close to, like, if it's a 500 sheet pocket folder run, and because it has to get die cutting, we might run 600 sheets. I mean, so we've seen our amount of stock go way down. I mean, if it's just a 8.5 by 11, just cuts and ships out, I mean, we might run 20 sheets additional. I mean, the first sheet off is sellable. Most of our work, I mean, now is getting moved from the Indigo. I mean, we used to run about 1 million clicks a month, and now we're down to about 500,000 clicks a month. And when we had both Indigos, we were running, you know, close to 2 million clicks. So that's the amount of work that the 720 has taken away from the Indigo side.
We also had a Heidelberg SM52 5-color that we got rid of because we didn't need it anymore. It was only a 5-year-old press because all that work migrated to the 720.
We're currently running, we started out at 1 shift on the 720 original, and now we're running 2 full shifts, 5 days a week on the 720. And then we have a 3rd shift that when we get busier, we bring that on, so we run 3 full shifts, 24 hours a day on that press. From a production standpoint, we try to run the same size sheet, same size stock, you know, and if you can gang those up, you can run one right after another. So one of the lines of our business is perfect bound short run books. So we're running book blocks on our W press 540, and then we're running covers on our 720S. So we'll actually gang those up. Now, back when we were running them before, we were running them on an Indigo 1 up on a 12 by 18 sheet. Now we're running either 2 up or 4 up, depending on the size of the book cover. So we can burn through 20 to 25 different titles, 100 quantity per title in about an hour and a half.
Your best productivity, again, is as Tony mentioned, when we run these book covers, it's the same stock, it's the same size sheet, and we just put it together in a batch and just really go through the work.
Now with the new enhancements to it, with the barcoding system, it is a 100% guarantee backup. So we're running 2-side variable every day on that, plus the 2,700 sheets an hour, so that's improved throughput there. So it runs at full speed, both static or variable. So those are 2 of the very big enhancements. It has gone to a modular print head system, so you can actually go in and replace just one portion of the print head if you do need to, and also the drying portion of it, because they've replaced the whole fuser type based roller for drying to IR. Whatever they did between the 720 old ink set to the new S Press 720 ink set, it's just a phenomenal difference as far as from a drying standpoint.
How frequently is our J Press down?
It hasn't been since the new one's been in, and even when the old one was in, it was maybe twice, 3 times a year.
And talk about the upgrade that they're doing to the press.
They want to come in and do some upgrades, and they had a list of upgrades. So Fuji has been really well and works with us as far as you know, understanding that we have to get production out, and they still want to upgrade the press and do things, you know, continue to grow the press into a better press.